Yesterday, I met a friend of mine and told him that one of your younger brother's friends is a takeoff artist. At first, he didn't believe me, but I convinced him by saying that you can take my word for it. This was something horrific for him. He was saddened by this. He told me that this is a new one on me. After that, he left me in a hurry. I asked him, "Where is the fire?" He told me that I am going to teach him not to be in the company of bad boys. Dear English family, دا ما چې کومه کیسه وکړه که په دې تاسو پوه شوي یئ نو it's something amazing. خو که پرې نه یې پوه شوي نو دا څه خبره نه ده. At least دې کې چې کوم vocabulary ده هغه درته زه وایم one by one. So let's begin. Take of artist means thief, غل. You can take my word for it means you can trust me یا you can believe me. ته په ما باندې یقین کولی شي. مطلب دا زه چې کومه خبره کوم زه دروغ نه وم. This is a new one on me means دا اول او ځل زاورم دا خبره. دا ما د دې نه مخکې نه وه اورېدلې. Where is the fire means ته دومره په منډه چېرته روان یې. مطلب څه چل شوی دی چې ته دونه په تادۍ روان یې. For more interesting and informative videos like this, you can follow me up. Thanks.